For most investors, it's easier to buy futures contracts that are tied to commodities. Buying a futures contract is an agreement between two parties to buy or sell an asset at a future date and at a fixed price. If you trade futures directly, remember to mark your calendar because you'll need to either close the position or roll it over by the time the contract is due. Let me explain what it means to close the position in a futures contract. Let's say you enter into a futures contract with a farmer to buy 1 metric ton of cocoa at a fixed price at a fixed date 6 months from now. Since you're buying, you are long cocoa futures. The farmer who is selling is short cocoa futures. At that 6-month date, you're required to pay cash, and the farmer is required to send you 1 ton of cocoa. If you want to close your long position, then before the due date, you should enter into a short position to sell 1 metric ton of cocoa at a fixed price and on the same due date. There is a commodities exchange that handles the paperwork, but it's as if you paid for a ton of cocoa, then immediately sold that cocoa to someone else to get your money back. So that was how to close a futures position. Rolling over a contract is kind of like renewing your gym membership for another 6 months. To roll over a futures contract, you start by canceling the contract when it's near the due date. Next, you enter into a new contract to buy cocoa at an even later date, such as 6 months after the original contract due date.